Alright, so here it is. We finally received the new package. So this package was stuck in customs from past 15 days. So we have a couple of cool accessories inside this and also this huge showstopper for the video today. We're gonna unbox this and see what's inside. But first, let me remove my t-shirt for the video today. This is let me show it to you. So this is the Supreme small box logo tee, as you can see here, the small box logo. Also, if you're wondering why are there so many caps on this table here, I'll tell you about that. Now this is called a hat stretcher. I'll tell you what that is used for. So the hat stretcher that you saw on the table back there, if you guys know that when you buy a new car and you have to break in your engine in the first 1000 kilometers and things like that, so it works the same way for hats. When you get a new hat, you got to shape it right, so you need to use a hat stretcher to bring it in shape and use a steamer. So anyways, I want to talk about this in detail in another video maybe. So let me know if you want to know how do you break in a brand new hat before you start using it. Okay, we don't have to do this every time, it's only for shoes. Now before we get into the unboxing, I have something to share with you guys. Like you all saw my birthday shopping video where I got the Rolex Batman and the Jordan 1 fragments. So what happened after that is someone pointed me out that the Jordan 1 fragments that I unboxed are not looking good and I should probably get it checked from a legit checker. So after that, what I did was I got it checked by someone professionally and sadly it turned out that the shoes were fake. Then I contacted the seller and he was kind enough to issue me a full refund and I sent the pairs back. So that's what happened with me this week. Now you guys are gonna ask me that how did I get it legit checked and who offers such kind of services here in India. So don't worry about that. I'm gonna soon be making a video about the basics of legit checking sneakers, and also I will tell you about people who offer such services in India. Now also keep in mind that when you're buying the newer pairs from the list of resellers that I have shared on my videos, so you don't really need to worry about the pairs being legit or not. This basically happens with the more rare and older pairs, like in the case of fragment ones. So this is basically the second time it's happening with me. The first time was back in 2018 when I got the Off-White Chicago Jordan 1s, and fortunately that time I wasn't as excited, so I first got the pairs checked and everything and they were not legit. So I did not end up making any content, but probably this time I was way too excited and I did not even bother to check. It's not that the seller is not legit. He sells legit pairs, but I think probably even he has no idea that these fragment ones that he was selling were not legit. So I'll probably give him that, and also since he gave me my money back without any argument of any sort, so it probably shows that he is pretty genuine. Alright, now before we get into the unboxing, there's only one dilemma that I'm going through. The fact that I made a video with those Jordans and I also did a post on Instagram, and not just that, I have a lot of awesome feedback and lovely wishes from you guys on those posts and the video. I really don't know what to do with it because it's not right if I do fake flexing for the community. So I think I will have to take that post down, but as far as YouTube goes, I think we have the option of trimming the video after it's uploaded. So I'm going to try to trim that and cut the Jordan 1 fragment part. Anyways, let's leave that behind and get going with the unboxing today. Alright, so this is the first item that I got. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox this and then we will talk about it in detail. Oh fuck, this is heavy, bro. I've already taken the tape apart, so it becomes a little easier in the video. So here it is, as you can already make out. Bro, you're fucking supposed to help me. How am I supposed to do this alone? Let's open this up. So as you must have already made out, this is the Supreme Director's chair. Let's go ahead and set this up first. That's how you do it, I think. Do this up, yeah. Correct? Am I going right?
Yeah.
So this is the backrest of the chair. And yeah, there it is. Okay. So this is the Supreme Director's chair. Now this chair released I think a year back or maybe a little more, I'm not very sure which season it came in, and it retailed for about $160. Now since the time this chair first came out, I always wanted to get it for my house, not exactly for my studio. This I thought later on, but I never really happened to buy. So at that point this chair was reselling for about $350 to $400 if I'm not mistaken, and I thought it's not going to go up from there anymore. So I waited, and I thought maybe when I'm closer to doing my Hypebeast house tour video, I will probably get all the collective accessories together to complete the home and then do the video. But in that period of time, I don't know what happened, and it just shot up, and I ultimately had to buy it for about $700, that is shipped within the USA. Now after that it costed me another $100 to ship it to India, and a couple of ₹1,000 to pay in duties. So overall this chair I think roughly costed me about 65,000 rupees odd, and that is way too much for this chair. Nevertheless, so that's about the chair. Now I got a couple of more accessories that I ordered from StockX, and we'll quickly go through over that. So this is the Supreme umbrella. Now it's a little too late to get this. Wait, first let me open this up. So this is the Supreme umbrella. Like I said, it's probably a little late to get it because we are almost done with the rains in India. But nevertheless, I think it's pretty cool, and it's sort of transparent with a, I think, box logo on top of it. I cannot really see it. Where is the box logo? Hello? Alright, let me go ahead and open this up. Bro, this is a fucking stupid ass umbrella. I don't think. Okay, so there's no box logo on the umbrella as such, but there is one right here. And you know, if I have to use an umbrella, it has to be Supreme because I'm a Hypebeast. So yeah, this is a pretty stupid purchase. I don't know, I think I got this. Fuck, did I already break it? Max, how the fuck do you shut this? Dude, I think I broke it already. Okay, never mind, we'll deal with this later. It's a little tricky to probably shut that. I don't want to break it, I think I already have. So yeah. Moving on, I got, So I got this Supreme Instax frame. What do you call this, Max? That films that goes in that instant camera, you know? Polaroid. Okay, whatever that is, Instax it's called or whatever, blah blah blah. So I got this pack which has about 10 films in it, and I don't have a camera for this one. You get that camera on Amazon, do you know, Max? Yeah, so Fujifilm camera for about $3,000-4,000. So I'm going to open this up and show you. This is how it looks. Pretty cute. I think what I'm going to do with this is, I did not show you guys before, but I got these photo frames again from Supreme. This is also I think last season, and I'm not sure how much they cost. I think $60-70 odd. So what I'm going to do is click the best 2-3 photographs of my best sneakers, like the Dior's and 1 or 2 more which I'm going to be getting very soon, and I'm not going to share that on camera right now. So I'm going to take those photos and I'm going to put it inside this and probably use it in my decor. So yeah, that is the reason why I got the Instax film or whatever film, Fujifilm Instax mini films. Now next I got this one more small accessory. This is a bear brick, as you can see. I don't know which collaboration this exactly is, but I went for this one only because of the color. So let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, StockX verified. So here it is. This is one tiny ass bear brick that I don't think I have ever seen in my life. This small. I think I'm going to put this in on my coffee table or something like that. And it comes with this another sort of Lego bricks, and they are called nano blocks actually. And this is what that turns into, the white one. So no specific reason to buy this. I just wanted a few small bear bricks to put it here and there in my house, so that is why I got this. So that's about it. These are all the things that I got in this package. There were a lot more accessories that I purchased along with this, but unfortunately that package could not make it along with this. So let me know in the comments below what you feel about this Supreme Director's chair, and I will see you next week with another one. Peace. अबे यार ये कौन बनाएगा यार बैग्स? ये बना के देना यार. सो फकिंग बोरिंग डूड. ये कौन बनाता है बैठ के यार? मेरे को लगा था बना हुआ आएगा.